Healthy खाना चाहिए but tasty भी. Let's make a super quick high protein chicken salad with honey mustard dressing. Fresh, crunchy and seriously delicious. Let's start with the chicken. Take one chicken breast, around 200 grams, and make 3 shallow slits on it. Place it in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a little salt, 1 teaspoon olive oil and some chili flakes. Mix it well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. While the chicken marinates, we'll prep our veggies. Take half an iceberg lettuce and tear it roughly with your hands. Cut a quarter each of red, yellow and green capsicum. Slice a quarter onion and half a tomato. Now in a big bowl, layer the lettuce first, then all the 3 capsicums, followed by onion and tomatoes. Top it with olives and keep the bowl in fridge for a nice crunch. Let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon olive brine, 2 mashed garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and a little salt. Squeeze in half a lemon or add vinegar. Pour 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and whisk everything until smooth and creamy. Time to cook the chicken. Transfer the marinated chicken to a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Take it out, let it rest for 5 minutes and then shred it using 2 forks. If it's cooked well, it'll shred very easily. Now assemble the salad. Add the shredded chicken to the chilled salad bowl. Start with 1 or 2 teaspoons of the dressing. Mix gently and add more dressing if needed. And that's it. A fresh, crunchy, healthy protein salad ready to enjoy. You can eat it as it is or serve it with some garlic bread. If you enjoyed the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.